Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking...
Watch closely at the start of this video. What looks like a casual handshake on a quiet street is actually being monitored by the eye in the sky. The Columbus Police Community Response Team isn't guessing. They are building what legal experts call reasonable suspicion in real time. But here is the critical question for you. Does a hand-to-hand transaction alone justify a constitutional stop? As the officers roll up, notice the body language. The tension is palpable. Are these citizens being harassed, or are they caught red-handed? This distinction is what separates a routine stop from a multi-million-dollar civil rights lawsuit. Stay with us until the end to see the one item that changes this from a conversation to a major felony case. What would you do in this situation? Let's analyze the approach.
Hey, why are you looking at him? Look at me. I'm talking to you, right? He's talking to him. So my question is what are you guys up to?
Yeah, okay.
Nothing? You just hanging out?
Not doing nothing.
Not doing nothing?
I'm not doing something.
Relax.
What are you holding?
7311. 7311. Give us another car. Sullivan and Central running northbound. Male black, gray sweats, blue pants.
I'm not doing anything.
Relax. Relax.
Copy.
Why's your boy running?
I don't know.
Georgia? We got a lot of people saying you're dealing drugs. You got drugs on you? Stop. North on Central running toward Garden Heights Apartments. Giorgio Craft, male black, gray sweatshirt, gray hoodie. He's running towards 1440 right now. Chopper, you're coming overhead. He's on the north side of the apartments, running westbound.
Chapter 3.
And he continued to go around out of property. Yeah, they come out of the stairwell there. Now he's coming back out. Continues to the west.
Hey, get on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground! Don't fucking rich for nothing!
Hey, great. Yeah.
7311, I got him. Taser deployed.
Yeah, he's got him on the ground. We need to get him that break. Want to get him back first.
Dude, you're fine. Do you have any weapons on you?
Hey, Wagon, yeah.
You watch these videos and think, that won't happen to me. But if you get stopped tonight, do you know exactly what to say? I've created a survival guide called the Bodycam Decoder. It teaches you the exact words to protect your rights and spot police traps. I made it affordable for everyone. It's just $4.99, less than the price of a coffee, but it could save you thousands in legal fees. Don't wait until it's too late. Link in the description.
Back in that.
Sorry, let me use
Good job. Wagons there. I think they're going to
Heavy weapons?
to the other side of the fence. They'll be with you in a second. So far, everything looks still like he's okay.
Copy.
Yeah, but first coming in, the app's going to be at 1450 West Ridge. And ready to get 2040 started.
Your medics are already en route. Are you en route as well?
That's 73, put me on that.
Copy, sir.
Mr. Kraft, you're fine, okay? You're fine.
I'll get the team back here.
I copy 33 recovered. Was anybody else out?
Nope, we had two. I've got the one for
And lastly, is your crew just secure?
out with everybody else will be the other half.
I need someone to check that stairwell.
I copy. Everybody else respond to 7311.
1440?
Yeah.
They're calling us on channel 4. We'll go ahead and switch. Everything looks fine.
I copy. Thank you for your help.
Yeah, we got the other one too.
Pass it up, man.
Hold on, man.
Shut down. Everything over here.
Almost.
Shut down.
For what? Your penis hurts? He landed right on it. Thank you, bro. Thank you.
No black. Bracelets.
What do I mean?
He's running towards.
I'm gonna tell you in a sec. You probably got nothing to worry about, right?
Westbound.
Chopper 3.
You can't search me for no reason.
Dude,
I'm not doing
my
that.
body camera's on.
Okay.
I'll ask you questions. Okay? I have enough to
He
detain you.
continued
I'm gonna
to go
pat you
around
down.
that apartment. Yeah,
Okay?
they come out of
nothing,
the stairwell
I
there.
didn't
Now
do
they come back out.
What's this?
Continue
I
to
didn't
the
do
west.
anything.
Gray hoodie. Running westbound. These gray apartments right up here about almost sound the ridge. Looks like he's walking now. The officer's still trying to chase him. On the north side of the apartments.
I didn't do anything. Okay. This is a legal search. Okay. This is a legal search.
7311, got him. He's deployed.
This is a legal search, sir. This is a legal
Yeah,
search.
he's got him on the ground. He's working with him to get him in custody. There's a unit right anywhere close we want to be able to help him get him back to the cars.
What's the string attached to it?
Doing nothing. It is the most common phrase heard in body cam footage. Here, we see the legal concept of a Terry stop in action. The officer is conducting a pat-down specifically for weapons, not evidence, to ensure safety. The suspect claims innocence, but notice his nervous demeanor. From a legal defense perspective, anything he says right now can and will be used against him in court. He is inadvertently waiving his Fifth Amendment rights by continuing to talk. If he is carrying anything illegal, his best move would be silence and requesting a criminal defense attorney immediately. The psychological game here is intense. The officer knows something is there, and the suspect knows he's caught. The innocent act is about to crumble in a very expensive way.
You mind holding him while I pull this off his neck? Sure. Thanks.
Copy.
Ooh, that's tight. That's tight.
I'll
That's
fix
tight,
it,
that's
dude.
tight, that's
I'll
tight.
fix it, dude. I want to get the gun off
Ooh,
of you, all
shit,
right?
that's tight.
Go ahead, sir.
Oh, fuck.
Clear the house. You don't have to hold here.
Copy.
That's not right there.
The green one?
Yeah. I'm right there.
You just keep it with the other stuff?
You see how it's just a half a deal?
Is that your medication, Tim?
You got a way for you, for them right?
All these singles?
No, that's not us, man.
Yeah, I'll count your money. I'm gonna sit underneath your cell phone so you don't blow away. All right, guy. Let's come back here and have a seat for a moment.
I'm gonna have fun. I was working good. So I ain't nothing.
I'm just a little scared about your turn.
101.
If I was gonna run, I would have ran just like him. I was not gonna run.
But you got a lot of shit on you.
Victor, you can send
You
us
gotta
to
slip out of
701
those shoes. No. You can leave them on, man. No. Just double checking, dude. So you're gonna take a ride today. I hope you probably kind of figured that. So, Did you got anything else on you? Tucked in your nutsack, up the butt, anything like that? Okay. If you take it into a jail facility or into our headquarters, another felony. I don't want you stacking them on yourself. So I'm gonna have you just hang tight for a minute. I'm gonna go clear that gun.
I can't get a smoke.
Give us a minute.
494.
494.
I don't know what the other guy had on him, but he ran. This one didn't.
He was a distraction.
124.
Yeah, he probably was just gonna fucking hang out and watch us run, but I was like,
Yeah.
other dude ran and
Yeah.
he was looking for a place to run, so I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna snatch him.
Cool. All right. So it's a hybrid fucking gun because it's a Glock fucking slide, but that don't look like a Glock fucking.
It's got a Glock sight on it.
Well, but I'm saying that the
The frame is different.
Yeah, it looks like that same.
We're not worried about DNA or anything on this guy.
Yeah.
It's hanging on him.
Comes in around.
And there it is. The search reveals a firearm, but this isn't a standard issue weapon. The officer identifies it as a hybrid, likely a polymer 80 build, commonly known as a ghost gun. These are unserialized firearms assembled from parts, making them untraceable. Possession of this, especially if he is a prohibited possessor or concealing it without a permit, escalates this interaction to a serious felony charge. In many jurisdictions, carrying a ghost gun carries mandatory minimum sentences. This discovery justifies the entire stop retroactively. For the police, this is a major win, taking an untraceable weapon off the streets. For the suspect, his legal bills just skyrocketed. A simple drug investigation has now morphed into a complex federal firearms case.
Good man. Good luck.
Yeah, there's no, I think it's usually on this side.
Yeah. No, it's on there anymore.
No, it's nothing on.
So, let's talk numbers and liability. Many viewers ask, can he sue the police for this? Given the CCTV footage establishing the drug deal and the flight of his accomplice, the officers had solid probable cause. A civil rights lawsuit for false arrest here would likely be dismissed immediately, worth $0 in settlement. Conversely, the suspect is now in deep financial trouble. Defending against felony firearm possession and drug trafficking charges requires a top-tier criminal defense attorney. We are looking at legal fees ranging from $25,000 to over $100,000 just for a retainer and trial defense. If convicted, the fines alone could exceed $50,000, not to mention years in prison. In this case, the cost of doing business on the street resulted in a total financial and personal bankruptcy.